Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Multicam 3000 series 5-foot by 12-foot CNC plasma table with an HPR 130. This machine was not used daily and it really does show. It's extremely clean and well maintained. This Multicam features a 5-foot by 12-foot downdraft table with an 8-foot extended gain tree option. The total cut capability is 100 inches in width, factoring the extended gain tree, and 145 inches in length. The Z-axis has 8 inches of clearance. Next to the torch, there is a slide for a scribe if you want to add one. Power is provided via a Hypertherm HPR 130 with auto gas console. Machine also features True Hole and comes with a Windows-based PC featuring Easy G-Code Creator 5. You will also receive a manual and a lot of spare consumables, as you can see. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.